So, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're taking a look at the Lametric Time Smart LED Clock. This has multiple purposes. As you know, on Tech Tuesdays, we do unboxings like we're going to do now. I'll show you how it works, how it sets up. If there's anything you'd like me to take a look at, put it in the description and I'll see what I can do. This at the moment is on Amazon. It was £154. I think it's come down now to about 120 in the sale. I'll put a link in the description. This thing has multiple purposes. As you can see here, it does Twitter, day's agenda. You can customize it to show your current app, how much you're making. You can show your YouTube subscriber count, fully programmable as you say. It's also a speaker. It's micro USB. It's a power adapter. It can do internet radio. It's also a wireless speaker, as I've said, and it can do wake up music as well. There's quite a lot of functions here. It's quite expensive. I think 154 quid. Well, they're in the sale. I picked this up a little bit cheaper. I have taken a look at the Devoom speaker as well. I'll put a link in the description to that video. Gives you an idea of kind of similarities. That one comes in about 34 quid. This one I think is going to be a little bit better. So let's take a look. It's got the Red Dot Award 2016. Well, that means basis, real-time news. I just like the look of this one. I like the way it kind of functions. So let's open it up, take a look. Packaging wise, average, nothing extraordinary here. Ooh, paper itself is nice, surprisingly off the bat, quite light, quite heavy. It's got a port here on the side, a port here on the side. The volume will come down by the looks of it. Power on button. We've got the left and right buttons on the top here. I presume it's a power button. It looks like maybe a selection button. A rubber base here, quite nice. And we've got a micro USB, a auxiliary audio out. That looks like headphones. That looks about it. You've got the screen itself, it's like a matte finish, and an LED light here on the top as well. So I'll just get the box. This is quite cool. You get a UK adapter, which is obviously what I need because I'm in the UK. You get a US adapter. Is it European one? Sorry, that's a European one. I always get confused here. Adapter, and so yeah, you need the US adapter. Just be put on the back. Looks like these are interchangeable. Yes, they are. That's pretty cool. I like the way you get multiple adapters here for where you live. Okay, well, it's cool. What else we got? You get a quick starter guide and review compliance information. Lovely. Last but not least, you get a standard USB and micro USB cable here to plug it in. So let's take a look and see how it forms and set it up. So the first thing we're going to do, we need to download the app from Apple. So using an iPhone, and it's called Lametric. It's in the App Store. So it's this one at the top, the grey one. Get this to download. Once this is downloaded, open the app, allow notifications if you so wish, click login or sign up. I've got a login account. If you haven't got a login account, create a username, password and log into it. I've already got a login now, so I'm going to use mine. So what you'll need to do when you've logged in, you need to click manage device. You'll need to add a new device. You will need to go to your network settings on your iPhone or other smart device, and you'll need to find the wireless network. The wireless SID will be presented on your Lametric, as you can see here. Mine's called LM5844 and it's telling me the SID on the Lametric. Click on that network, then go back to your Lametric software. Click on the SID that your appliance is going to connect to. Put in your password. And you should now connect to your wireless network. If it doesn't connect like this, just keep trying or try and put your Lametric in a better position. My Wi-Fi is a little bit weak up here, so it has problems trying to catch it. But it will eventually get there. Just make sure you get it connected. So when you've done that, you'll now be presented with the Lametric time on your clock, and you'll also get this message on your iPhone. You should also get a black, dark colour for your Lametric, so it's active. If it's light grey, you haven't got the Wi-Fi connection correct at the minute, or it's having trouble getting to the Wi-Fi. I have had some issues on 2G in the location in my house with this device. I think it's purely onto my house, but if you're having problems with the Wi-Fi, just move it around a little bit, get it set up, and then place it where you want it to go. So once you click on the device, you can now get these options of what applications you can show on here. These aren't all the ones that you can get. Some of them you can download from the store. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the basic set of applications. You've also got onto phone for notifications if you're getting a message or someone rings you or anything like that. And you've also got some more like IFTT or Amazon Echo or Slack. So the first one we're going to add here is going to add the YouTube subscriber count, which I do like. It's good for keeping up to date with how many subs I've got, and just purely because it's an easy way to look at it, and it looks pretty damn cool. I think it's one of my favorite features of this. So once you've clicked the application within the software, Lametric software, it adds it to the device. See there it says added. You can now go back to your main window, and you can see here the icon is now available. You can then click into that, and you can now log into your channel. You've got your account details, so you need to log into your YouTube account. Once that account's enabled, you can then click the channel, enter your channel name here, mine's Beardedbob, which I'm sure you all know by now. Click search, it'll find your channel, click OK, and back it out, and you should now see your subscriber count as you can do there. It's now enabled it on the device. Love it. So what else you can shorten the numbers if you've got too many subscribers. Unfortunately, you know, not all of us are in that situation. I do appreciate the people I have watching this channel. Definitely. So some of the other ones that I like are, I like the Bitcoin notification that you saw in the preview, or CryptoCoin. It's not just Bitcoin. So this is a cool little app. I generally go with the crypto tracker one here. Magnus Elklund. Don't kill your name there, sir, or madam. My apologies. Again, you add the icon that you wish, and this is what you do for all of them. You then go back into your application, and then you can configure it from within here. And here you can add all these different coins on this, and this is why I like this one. I'm just going to add them all. I don't want Dash. I generally put the ones that I'm following at the minute that I'm interested in. ADA, Neo, XR. All these ones I'm going to add on. When you've added those in, you can come back out of that option, and then you can add in what you want the currency to be. So I keep mine on USD because everything I follow is USD, so it might as well. You can put your time span. It's only within 1 hour, which is a bit of a shame. It'd be nice to have a bit more of an updated view here, maybe every 10 minutes. You can add notifications if you wish, but I don't. I don't have any sounds on mine. I like it nice and quiet. Click OK, and you'll see now it's starting to cycle through the crypto coins. Another good one here, and I'll show you some other options on what you can configure to keep them on the screen for a bit longer in a minute, but the last one we're going to add is for Twitch. So if you're watching some of my game stuff, I do Twitch on Friday nights generally, and I also do some other streaming throughout. But you can add in the Twitch counter, you can add in notifications when people are live, so if you're watching someone like, if you're doing PUBG, you're watching Summit 1G, you're watching Viz, you're watching Break from TSM, the device will tell you when they're live online, or Ninja, or anyone like that, and therefore you can see instantly who's online. You can go and see them on Twitch. That's kind of what it shows you. You've got a Twitch view account and a Twitch counter. I'm going to have the Twitch counter, and again you do the same here. You go and click on the icon, and you can add in your Twitch account. So the name is Twitch counter. You can change that if you wish, but I'm not going to. The channel, that's obviously this person's channel. So mine's going to be Beardedbob, and you can have viewers or followers. I'm going to man on followers. Again, you can have notifications if you wish for the time. I wish I had that many followers. I ain't got that many followers. Obviously, not quite right. Use a live channel. I don't know why that's giving me so many viewers. Followers. Way too many. So maybe the Twitch one, that one isn't quite working. If you want to delete one, you can hold your finger on the icon and delete this one, and you can drag and drop it into the delete section. You can also duplicate if you've got multiple ones you want to do, like the Twitch viewer one. If you want to make sure if you wanted a notification when someone's on there, you would duplicate that, so you would be aware of that, because it's the same app. I don't like the radio one, but you can't delete it. It's a bit of a problem. So what you can do here is you can go into the settings, you can change the brightness, screensavers or clock, you can update the firmware, you can change the volume. I like mine off, I don't like any volume on. You can change the text type to scrolling or typewriter. We have at the bottom here, if you scroll down, it's a bit awkward to find it. And a few more options on what you want to do. So you can schedule to come on at certain times. If you want to, like on a Friday night and you want to see who's on Twitch, say. You can auto scroll them as well. You can set them in certain orders. So the way they scroll is via which location they are in within the app itself. I like the weather one. I'm not too fussed about the timer one. We'll go to that. We'll go to the stopwatch because I don't use that either. Can't get rid of the radio, which always annoys me. If you go to the clock, but you can't either. The final one is you can show it so it only shows one app. If you want it just to sit on the Bitcoin for a bit. I mean, I want it to scroll through mine, to be fair, like auto scrolling. And then if you hold your finger on the auto scroll, at the bottom you get these icons, these little eyes. What they do is they tell you how long you want it to stay visible for. So I want this one to stay 3 times more visible than the rest.
and therefore when that one's scrolling through the cycle, it will stay there for the longest period of time before it moves on to the next app. So I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else. Check out my other Tech Tuesday videos. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll catch you all again soon.